Hello everybody, so this is Jelfie in Michin Sarang, and because lots of you are requesting about my beauty routine, so I'm going to show you, and this is it.
Wet your face with warm water. And then finally finish it with cold water after rinsing with the warm water so that your pores will be closed.
Next, just tap it slowly and softly. Okay, so next that we're going to do is to apply the basic skincare here in South Korea. So first we're going to put toner. Toner is to fix the pH of our skin. So this is it. Okay, so there are two types of toner, the watery and a little creamy. This is a little creamy. So if you're going to use the watery one, you're going to put at least 7 times on your face and tap it so that it will be totally absorbed. But if it is a little creamy, then we're just going to put 1 time. And then try to tap so that it will be totally absorbed by your skin. Okay, so next that we're going to put is the essence. Essence helps to hydrate our skin and let our skin breathe itself, okay? So. Okay, so next that we're going to put is emulsion. Okay, so this is actually used so that we will be able to seal the moisture that already applied into our skin, and also for some nutrients of skin nutrients for our skin. Okay, so next we're going to put is AMPOULE. AMPOULE is actually like serum, but it is more concentrated. This helps the skin in for there are three types of AMPOULE. First is anti-wrinkle, next is anti-pimple, and then anti-air pollution or anti-pollution that actually protect the skin from any kind of pollution. Okay, so we're going to put, this is actually oily, a little oily type. And then next, we're going to put the eye cream. This is how to put 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then how to do this? 1, 2, 2. So like this way. From here, 1, 2, and then another 1, 1, 1, 2. Actually, if you have the brush, this small brush, then you can use that. But because we don't have, we're going to use the softest finger, this one. So from here, 1, tick, and here 1, tick, 1, tick, and then in this part we're going to 1, 2. Okay, so next we're going to apply the cream, just cream, any kind of cream. So I have my favorite cream, and I always put in the refrigerator so that it will be really cold when I apply it on my face. So this is it. It's cold. When you're applying any in your skin, it should be cold and not warm, or so that it won't create heat that will able for you to sweat. Okay, so for nighttime, this is actually my beauty routine. So as you can see, it becomes so glossy, like glassy skin. So at daytime, I'm just going to use this. Yes, I just put here. We're going to use the same thing and use, after putting this cream, I'm going to put the sunscreen. Okay, actually this is new product I usually use here. This is to protect your skin. This is really good, look at that, so soft. It's really it's really good. This is so soft. Okay. And if you have foundation, that's after sunscreen, you're going to put the foundation, but I think no need for this time because this is really too white. Okay. Okay, so look at that. And just here. Then for daytime. So this is for summer because it's dry, but this is for winter. It's too strong. If too much, you feel too much, then you're going to use tissue. For you to have pinky, you can use this pinkish, more pink because I have a really natural red. As usually from Baguio, you usually have the pink, but I want more. you should use this before using, but I forgot. I couldn't see well because it's just a little anyway. So that's it for today, and you're just going to bring your mist. You're just going to bring this all the time in your bag wherever you go. If you feel like the temperature of your face is already hot or changed so that you won't sweat, use this only. I really like this. Okay, so that's it, and see you next time. Actually, I use this one. I use this one only on a special occasion, not every day. So this is for base of foundation. So you have to put this. This actually helps you to smoothen the skin before putting the foundation. Okay, so for this, either your skin is oily or dry skin, you have to use this kind. Okay, and if your skin is dry, there's another one you can use as foundation. This is good because this is double lasting. Double lasting means 24 hours. Okay, I think, yeah, it's 24 hours. So if your skin is oily like me, this is really good for you together with this. And they will give you this one. This is good, so easy to use. You're just going to do this and then use it, or probably just remove it like this. And this is it. This is for really for oily skin and match with this. But if your skin is dry, you're going to use another one and use the same brush. So you are going to use only one brush with this. Okay, and this is really good because it helps also for the comfort of your face or for your skin. Okay, so that's it for today, and or being dry, you can use this. This is air mist. You can see, I don't know if we can see. Can you see the? Okay, so the splash is really mist. Sometimes you have to check that because some of the mist being in the market is really like water that is splashed on your face. But what we need only is mist. Okay, so thank you so much, and if you have any question, please leave a message below, and if you didn't subscribe yet, please click the button subscribe and put like if you want or if you like this video, and see you next time. Mwah.